When a couple approaches Karla Casillas Co, we like to be their guide. We like to be there for them. We want them to feel adored and understood. And that's how we start curating and building the experience.
So you will have, can you grab the other two?
Yeah, I can grab the two kittens.
And
Yeah.
that one.
You got that, Smitty?
Yeah, I got the 2 kittens.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, my Lord.
Perfect.
Yeah, take them! Get rid of these damn things!
Karla Casillas Co has graduated from just being a planner mindset into a whole house of design, where we have a team of planners, a team of designers, a team of operations and logistics, and we are robust in providing our own in-house rentals, productions, floral design. So we are lucky to not be navigating with the nuisance of trying to coordinate as many vendors as possible that day, because we hold the core of the very promise we made you. And that is something that sets us also apart from Karla Casillas Co. We do have partnerships that go the extra mile.
Jimena, voy a bajar al pie. Están todas acá, una conmigo, por favor.
My clients at the beginning don't understand that when they hire Karla Casillas Co, they are actually hiring a team of people. So they feel even more comfortable when they know there is a lead planner, an assistant, a designer, and me as the project manager, alongside with all of the other crew members that will be operating that day. So that's kind of a nice surprise. Understanding that high production events do need more time and preparation, not only in the planning, but in the installing and the operations of the day is essential, because that may impact the budget. We are requesting more times for setup and more time for strike. So understanding that from the very beginning is essential. So once I listen to their needs and their expectations, I then go ahead and explain to them what the day will be looking like for them.
What do I say? Tell me.
I would love to introduce you for the
Perfect.
very first
I
time.
love to introduce you for the very first time. Okay, tell me that right before I go on.
Uh-huh.
At the end of the day, what I want you to feel is adored, that it is exactly what you dreamed of and more. I want you to come back. I want you to be my legacy client forever. I want you to celebrate any milestone with us.